Hi, welcome to this video on how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. To uninstall apps on Windows 11, start by going to your home screen and clicking the Windows icon. Type Settings and click on it when it appears. In the Settings menu, you will see a list of options. Click on Apps. Another window will pop up. At the top, you will see Uninstall Apps. Click on that. You will be directed to a new window displaying a list of apps installed on your Windows 11. Select the app you want to uninstall. For this tutorial, we will demonstrate by uninstalling the CapCut app. Click the three dots next to the app, then click Uninstall at the bottom. You will be asked to confirm the uninstallation. I won't be uninstalling it, but that is how you can uninstall apps on Windows 11. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.